Omar left his water. He always doing that, but it's cool. It's cool. He'll come back. What's up, guys? We're back at it. Looking good, looking good. So we got it. Let's go ahead and see what's inside real quick, and then we'll talk about it. Oh, there it is right there. Ooh, wee. I love that. You already know what time it is then. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and open this box. Look at that. Look who's calling back. Just left. What's up?
I left my water.
I know. It's okay.
Put that shit in the fridge.
I got you. And he just hangs up. That's what Omar do. He be calling and just hanging up. No, he told me to put the water in the fridge. I was like, all right. I already know. He'll be back later. Come by, drop stuff off, call me 2 minutes later. Forgot. He'll be back. Let's go ahead and get back to the unboxing. Ooh, wee, right there. Fire. More fire. Okay. So we actually needed this because the one on the car is faulty, and this is apparently what's been stopping me from being able to push the gas and the car to be able to accept all boost pressure and to just keep pulling through the power band. So we're gonna go ahead and get this changed out, and we got a few more things on the way for the car. Should be landing soon, and see exactly how much better she got after all this crazy shit happened. Cool, we're back. We're gonna go ahead and install the TPS sensor, and we're gonna get everything, you know, tightened up, buttoned up, get her back. So we're gonna go ahead and bring you on a little process. We're gonna go ahead and take care of that right now.
Okay, so we got the old TPS sensor out. It was a little bit of work. Had to disconnect intercooler, BOV, a few other things, but we got to it. Here it is. OEM replacement.
Wow.
Go ahead, what about that OEM replacement for him? Ooh.
We'll just put that on there and boost.
He said you won't just put that on there and boost. What do you say?
Watch me. Per usual, back in McFadden's. I swear we're here 3 times a week. Really need a membership by now. We are here. Gotta stop by, check a thread real quick. It might be M47.
And as we leave McFadden's, I want to let you guys know, if you guys haven't, drop a like, comment down below, you know, what you guys want to see coming from us. We have a lot of videos coming, a lot that we plan. So drop a comment down below what you want to see from us. Also, let's see if we can hit 100 thumbs up on this video. We're working hard for y'all, bringing y'all content every day. Let's see if we can hit 100 thumbs up. So we're gonna go ahead and install the new sensor and the new bolts that we got from McFadden's. Yes, indeed, got some new bolts and washers, and we'll tap in with you guys when we're done. So we just finished putting the TPS in. Everything's all back together. Excuse the dirty, you know, excuse the dirtiness. We still gotta clean that up, but for now, y'all see the fresh sensor right here. Boop. Putting the battery back on. We're gonna give her a start up. Her problem before was that she was not going past, what was it, 45?
Under full acceleration.
Under full acceleration, she wouldn't go past 45. So we're gonna see if this is the problem. We're hoping this is the problem, and hey, let's get it.
Let everything running. Cool. Step back in here. And to check engine lights off again. Okay. Cool. So we're just gonna let her do her little warm up. Cool. It's running. Just put the battery back on, let the car relearn itself. And yeah, it's looking pretty good. Shout out to my homie right here. We make it work. She sound good.
You say the light went away right away.
The light went away. Cool, thanks man. So the light went away. Everything's looking good. She sounds okay. Should be in the game.
If you looked at my life and see what I've seen.
So look, stop. This shit, like, do y'all see the door strip? I see the door strip. This shit is crazy. This is what we find every day on the streets. It's funny. So we're on our way to Cre8tive Motorsports, and this is what we're seeing right now. And you see the Veloster. We're in the Veloster today. We ain't even in none of the character cars. But look at this shit. Y'all see he got a Velcro patch on his shit. I am done. Oh yeah, you see it. Woo! It's looking good. It's looking good. This is our boy Brian's shop. He's like a little Subaru specialist here in Vegas, so we're pulling up here to drop the rack off and get the rack prepared for the Subaru. Sorry for the wind. Sorry for the wind. It's real windy out here. It's bad. Oh, 240. Y'all see it? Oh yeah, we got Subarus, we got 240s, we got all of it. Oh yeah. Y'all see the red, my boy. Where you going? Oh, he said you going to the restaurant. There you go. Did you have your rack on you? Yeah, I already brought it off.
Okay, cool. So we'll send that rack to get rebuilt, and then it should be good.
Over here on the right hand side, it's called Right Bet Auto Body, WRIGHT. He does good work.
Because I got to paint, I'm doing the turbo build on the Miata on my NA, so I got a KBD whole kit, like the whole kit, and I need to get that painted.
Okay.
So I just been looking for somebody to paint.
Like paint the car, or?
Make sure they can paint the polyurethane on the KBD.
Yeah, that's
on the bumper, on the kit?
A lot of people, it's hard for them, so they say, but I don't know.
No, take it, you got it?
If you paint it normally, the paint just literally falls off.
You have to take it to him, and you gotta take it to him and show him what it is.
Yeah.
He's done a few aftermarket bumpers and side skirts and stuff like that.
Is that polyurethane?
That's an OEM bumper. I don't know if it's polyurethane. It is, right?
Yeah. So that's
Yeah,
like
all
mine.
mine.
Yeah, mine is polyurethane. So, I don't know.
But it's got a gel coating on it. That's what they usually put on it afterwards. Is it shiny?
Coating is what you want. It's flexible.
Oh.
I'm gonna go down there and see.
Yeah, you got to take the part to him though for him to quote it.
Okay. I'll just bring the kit next time we come.
Just tell him that you were sent down here from us.
Okay. I'll probably bring it when we come Friday.
Okay.
To bring the WRX. I'll just bring it in the car. I want it in the travel car. It's Advan themed FRS. Crazy. Man, shout out to all the 240 homies. Fire. Always got this stuff parked up. Check it out, y'all. Let's deliver your favorite alcohol right now. If you ordered, he on the way. Just know it. Alright guys, beautiful morning. Once again, she does ride, she drives. Quick little update. Yeah, she's pretty cool, But there you have it. She's cool right now, like I said. We're gonna get some more fun shit going, so be expecting to see more for her coming soon. Alright guys, we're out. I wanted to thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you can drop a like and a comment, that'd be great. I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys if there's anything that COVID-19 has told us or we can learn from, is that don't take anything for granted. Do all you can while you can, because it's definitely gonna pay off in the long run. And it just goes to show that we can't take things or anything actually in your everyday life for granted. So call that person you love, text that person who matters. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Stay blessed.